Is your Canon printer showing as offline and refusing to print? Don't worry, this is a common issue that's usually caused by a simple setting or a survey that needs to be restarted. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods for Windows and 3 for Mac to get your Canon printer back online and printing again. If you need extra help, call the numbers on your screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Fix printer offline issues on Windows computers. Method 1. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, look for and expand the Print Queues section by clicking on it. Now, find your Canon printer in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window that appears, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search online for the latest driver version for your printer and automatically download and install it for you. If updating the driver didn't fix the offline issue, your Print Spooler service might be stuck. Let me show you how to restart it. Method 2. Restart the Print Spooler. Open the search bar on your taskbar, type Services and click on it to open the Services window. In the Services window, scroll down and find Print Spooler in the list. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the menu. Wait for a few seconds while it restarts. Once the restart is complete, your Canon printer should be back online and ready to use. If restarting the Print Spooler didn't work, there might be simple settings that's forcing your printer to stay offline. Let me show you how to uncheck that. Method 3. Uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. Go down to the search bar on your taskbar, type in Control Panel and click on it when it shows up at the top. Once the control panel opens, just look for Hardware and Sound and click on that. Now, go ahead and select Devices and Printers. On the next screen, click Printers and Scanners to see all the printers connected to your computer. From the list, find your Canon printer and click on it. After that, scroll down a little and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. Now, you'll see your printer again. Right-click on it and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, just click on See What's Printing. When the new window opens, head up to the top and click on the Printers tab. And finally, make sure Use Printer Offline is not checked. If you see a check mark there, just click on it to turn it off and you're good to go. Fix printer offline issue on MacBook. Method 1. Reset the printing system. Open Spotlight Search on your Mac by pressing Command and Space and type Printers and Scanners. Then, Control-click on your Canon printer from the list. After that, select Reset Printing System from the menu that appears. Now, click Reset to confirm the action. Turn your Canon printer off completely. Wait a moment, then turn your printer back on. Go back to Printers and Scanners on your Mac and click Add a Printer. select Canon printer from the list and click Add. Wait a few moments for your printer to complete setup. You're now ready to print. If resetting the printing system didn't resolve the issue, let's try removing and re-adding your printer to refresh the connection. Method 2. Remove and add the printer again. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner. From the list of options, click on System Preferences. On the System Preferences window, click on Printers and Scanners. In the Printers and Scanners window, select your Canon printer, then click on the minus icon to remove it. In the Confirmation window, select Reset. When the printer system reset has finished, go ahead and re-add the printer as usual by clicking the plus icon button. If that didn't resolve the problem, let's check if there's a software update available for your printer driver. Method 3. Check the printer software driver. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner. From the list of options, click on System Preferences. On the System Preferences window, click on Software Update. On the Software Update screen, if your Canon printer is showing any available software update, then click on Update Now to install the latest driver.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.